Alam mo ba, hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamagaling para magtagumpay. Pero, kailangan mo maging consistent. Kasi sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, consistency is what transforms the average into greatness. Araw-araw kang gigising, kahit walang nanonood, kahit walang pumupuri, kahit pagod ka na. Bakit? Kasi bawat ulit mo, binabago mo yung utak mo. Repetition rewires your brain. Hindi mo lang siya ginagawa. Nagiging ikaw na yung ginagawa mo. Ang akala ng iba, dapat exceptional agad. Pero ang totoo, you just need to show up every day. Paulit-ulit. Walang sawang ulit. Yan ang sekreto. Kailangan mo lang huwag tumigil. Keep moving forward. Kung gusto niyo po ng ganitong kwento, mindset at bad wisdom, please like and share at follow me. Let's build excellence together.